My name is Chase Ellison. I'm an aerial DP here at Beverly Hills Aerials. My favorite meal is, oh my gosh, it's anything on a kid's menu. You know, you can't go wrong with some chicken tendies. Just a plain old bean and cheese burrito I will rock all day long, all day. I think some of my favorite stuff to film is our live sports. You know, ironically, I wasn't a huge sports guy growing up, and now I've operated at some of the biggest live events in the country with some of the biggest networks like Fox, NBC, CBS. You know, there's just something special about knowing that millions of people are watching your footage live as it happens. You know, it's particularly gratifying to nail a shot in a particular moment and know that it exists only in that moment. You know, you don't get any more attempts at it. You get it right or you get it wrong. And it's nice to be able to rise to the occasion. I think the thing that makes Beverly Hills Aerials special is just the work ethic all around from every team member we have. Everyone puts in 100% all the time. We're dedicated to getting the best shots with the best technology, with the best people, the most qualified people around, whether it's our championship pilots or our just Emmy award-winning camera operators. From start to finish, I just appreciate how hard everybody works and how dedicated to the craft every single person is here.